Quick trade recap for today. I only traded till I didn't take any trades today, but I was only looking at the markets till 6 because I had to go and do some shit. But I started at 5 or kind of like 4 whatever, 4:50, 4:45 whatever. But here's open. But before I actually do the recap, I just wanted to talk about I was driving back. I just put them in, no stress. I was driving back from what I was doing, and I was thinking about like how do you, because recently I've seen price, and like price will just randomly for no reason just move hard towards liquidity, and I think that's a really good way to know if price is making a liquidity sweep. Like here, it's sideways, it comes down. Down here, it doesn't really sweep any good specific liquidity, and then it turns and it's going slowly up, and then boom, it's starting to move hard just at this top liquidity, which is really like, to me that means a sweep is inbound because prices, because commercial traders are moving markets hard just for no apparent reason. Like there's no reason to just start pumping here, you know. And I think that's a good way to tell if a sweep is coming. And yeah, I just want to talk about that. But so I saw this happen, swept topside. The only reason I didn't get in on these candles coming down here and accounting for it is because like I would have to account for this whole imbalance. Even up here, it could come back to this whole imbalance, and then I'd only shoot for here. And look, it only goes to there anyways. So it's not really good risk reward. But I didn't get in anyways because it didn't tap into halfway, and also this movement here was pretty weak, right? And then, but to be fair, ES was lining up really well. ES was looking really good, but there was just no retracement to get in on, so didn't get in. All good. Then price came bottom side, and then there was just nothing till 6 o'clock. That was opportunity. There was just nothing. As you can see, 6 o'clock is here. I left like here. And it swept. No opportunity to get in topside. Even with a decent move down, decent move away. Just no imbalances, no fair value gaps. Then it kept chopping like that. Stop loss hunt. I wouldn't get in here. Stop loss hunt, move away. Nah. Even if I was thinking of getting in here, it's inverse pretty much straight away, so wouldn't get in. Price comes lower. This is kind of a sweep. Comes lower, grabs this, and especially it looks good on ES. This would be my position. Yep, strong move to it. Strong move away. Feels imbalance. This is the fair value gap. But this, the imbalance would be from like here to there, that candle. And look, it feels that really nice. I would count that as imbalance because this candle beforehand would not be part of the imbalance, right? Because here, price has moved up, so there is imbalance there, but then this candle wicked, it gapped down to open, right? And then it wicked into it. And I would just see this as price wicking in, and then price moving topside, making its little wick topside and closing. And because this next candle doesn't have much wick, that would also be part of this imbalance. And I would include the wick as the imbalance on this, because it's like, I would see it as price coming down and coming instantly back up. So, yeah. And then look, fills that, just get in like close of that candle out, stop loss literally just below, and then shoot for those highs. Yep, nice position. Look at those moves, bang, bang, bang. 3 dummy fat candles to get up there after these little retracement. Yeah, that's see this, just looking at NAS and not looking at ES, this isn't that good of a sweep, right? Like it's kind of weak. Like this isn't a really fat bottom, and price is like slow, but it moves well to the downside, and then it moves okay away. This move down here doesn't really concern me here because that's just sideways. That's fine, but when it actually pumps away, that's good. Like the actual move away needs to be strong, which it is here. And then this movement after is really good to see also because that shows the sideways shows that it has the bullish move from here, but it wants to come bottom side to get this imbalance. And yeah, this would probably be my position. Yeah, it doesn't look that good on NAS, but if you look at ES, it's much nicer because you got these equal lows, and market loves equal lows and equal highs. Just love equal points of liquidity. And on ES, it's so evident the equals because look, it's like 4 ticks per row. So yeah, real nice to see. That would have been the move. Let's see anything else. Comes to top side and then nothing. That's not sweeping. On ES it does. Oh shit. That's sweeping there? Yeah, there. Which corresponds to there. So that's a little divergence. Still a bit sick. It's alright. So that's a divergence actually. And then fair value up here. Fair value up here. And of course, when price does make like two fair value gaps, we want it to come into the furthermost one. Especially here because there's still massive imbalance. Then, yeah, gets in. That's nice. It's a bit slow out, which always scares me, but yeah, that would stop me out of break even. Because after this bearish candle, I would move my stop to break even. So that would stop me out with this wick. So that just shows the patience, I guess. Then it comes to the bottom of this liquidity, just here. That's nice. It's funny how the divergence, the sweep happens on ES, but it gets less movement than NAS, which is the diverging one, the diverging pair. It's kind of funny. This is at 10 p.m, so I wouldn't even be around that shit. But anyways, that's the recap. You get to see how I look at the markets, type shit, what I would get in on. Yeah.